In this video, I'm going to show you how to change color of clothes in Photopea. To begin, import the image in which you want to change the color of the clothes. Once the image is open in Photopea, the first step is to select only the area where the clothes are visible, because this ensures the color change looks clean and realistic. There are two effective ways to make this selection. The first method is using the lasso selection tool. On the left-hand side of your screen, right-click on the selection tools and choose the lasso select option, or simply press the L key on your keyboard. Carefully draw around the clothing area by tracing its edges. Make sure the selection is fully closed by connecting the end of the selection back to the starting point. The more precise this selection is, the better the final result will look. The second method is using the Quick Selection tool. Right-click on the Magic Wand tool and select Quick Selection from the menu. Before clicking, make sure your image layer is selected. Now click over the clothing area and Photopea will automatically try to detect and select the clothes. If the selection includes unwanted areas or misses certain parts, you can refine it using the plus and minus options at the top. The plus option adds to the selection, while the minus option removes unwanted areas. Once the clothes are fully selected, it is important to soften the edges to make the color transition look natural. Go to the Select menu at the top of the screen, hover over Modify, and then choose Feather. Enter a small feather value, such as around 5 pixels, and click OK. This step helps blend the new color smoothly with the original image. Now it is time to change the color. Move the image slightly to the side to make room for the adjustment panel. Click on the New Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and select Hue/Saturation. If you want to turn the clothing grey or black, reduce the saturation to 0. To apply a different color, adjust the hue slider until you find the desired shade. You can fine-tune the result by increasing or decreasing the saturation and adjusting the lightness to make the color brighter or darker. Once you are satisfied, close the Properties panel. And this is how you can change color of clothes in Photopea.